Welcome back, students. Today's topic is compound words. It is really fun to learn compound words using given emojis. Today, we are going to learn what is compound word. When we combine two words, we will get a new word with a different meaning. These words are called compound words. We combine two words, rain plus bow. It gives a new word, rainbow. I explained you using raining emoji and also bow emoji. Now you are going to guess the words using given clues. First one is sun plus flower is equal to, it gives a new word, sunflower. So now I am going to revise book back exercise compound words. Is it clear? Come, let's move on to our today's topic, compound words. There are some more examples in your book back exercise, children. That is, in your additional exercise, you have few more examples. First one is light and next image is house. It gives you a new word, lighthouse. Is it clear? Then second one is mail plus box gives a new word, mailbox. And then next they gave you some images. From this you are going to identify correct answer from the given picture. Is it clear? First I read out the topic, children. Listen carefully. Write the compound words from the picture. They given you some pictures. From this picture you are going to guess the picture and write the names of each picture, and you are going to find out your new compound words. Is it clear? Okay, fine. Now I am going to explain these pictures to you. In first one, they gave two pictures. Watch and plus man gives a new word. In second picture, they gave you two images. That is rain plus bow gives a new word. Is it? Okay. Can you guess all these things? Very good, children. And third one is star plus fish. And then fourth one is food plus ball. Can you guess all these four? Okay, very good. Now I am going to reveal answers for all the four pictures. See this? Watch plus man gives a new word, watchman. Rain plus bow gives a new word, rainbow. Star plus fish gives a new word, starfish. And fourth one is foot plus ball gives a new word, football. Is it clear now? Now we move on to B. Use the clues to complete the compound words. They give you some clues in your right hand side. Can you see it? Yes, very good. So you are going to guess these words using the first given word. Now I read it out first, okay? Then I reveal the answers to you. First one, news plus paper. Because that man in right side, first one man is reading a newspaper. So the word is newspaper. Already they gave you one word, news. Now you are going to write paper. Because news plus paper, two words gives you a new word, newspaper. Like that you are going to do rest of two things. Okay. Now I read it out. Listen. Wheel plus dash gives, what is this image in second one? Can you see in your right hand side? Slide. Okay, fine. And third one. This is not a fourth one. Actually, this is a third one. Okay. Basket plus dash gives this word, basketball. Some word is missing, is it? So you are going to guess the words. Okay. Can you guess it? Okay, fine. Now I am going to reveal the answers. Answer will be wheel plus chair gives a word, wheelchair. Basket plus ball gives a word, basketball. Okay, it's clear? Now again, this is the match the compound words. We're going to match the given compound words and you are going to write it in the given boxes. This is also your book back exercise. Okay, children? Some images has been given in your right hand side and in also your left hand side. Is it? Now you are going to match correct images and you are going to write it in that boxes. First one. What will be the first image? It is a hand. And what image is correct image? Do you guess? Is it ring or fish or bag or fly? Yes, very good. It will be a bag. So, and plus bag gives a new word, and bag. Rest of the thing you are going to find it out. Can you guess it? Okay, good. Some more images has been given, is it? I am going to explain it now, okay? Second one is ear and third one is it is a dragon and fourth one is jelly. So now we are going to connect it with the correct word. First one in your right hand side is ring, fish, bag and fly. We already connected bag to first one hand, so that it gives a new word to us, and bag, is it? Can you guess it? Fine. Now I am going to reveal answers to this. Is it clear now? I joined by using lines. So first one is hand plus bag gives a word, handbag. Second word is ear plus ring gives a new word, earring. And then third one is dragon plus fly gives a new word, dragonfly. Jelly plus fish gives new word, jellyfish. Next one is E. Connect the compound words and create a new word. Now you are going to connect the given correct words. They gave you two options, but you are going to select only one to give correct meaningful words. First one, I read it out. Listen children carefully. Can you listen carefully children? Okay, fine. First one is cup plus ball or cup plus board. When you join two words, you have to get a meaningful word. So what word you are going to join it? So first one is gives a new word, cupboard. Is it? And now you are going to try other three words on your own. Okay children? Can you guess it? Okay, fine. And second one is cow plus deer or boy. Which one gives you a correct meaning? Can you find it out? Yes, cow plus boy gives a new meaningful word, cowboy. And then third and fourth one, can you try it? Moon plus light or paper, and rain plus chair or coat. Here is the answers for you. Cup plus board gives a new word, cupboard. Cow plus boy gives a new word, cowboy. Moon plus light gives a new word, moonlight. And then rain plus coat gives you a new word, raincoat. So far we have covered all the book back exercise for the topic compound words. Now it is time to give assignments for you. Today our assignments will be whatever we have covered from A, B, C and E. We didn't cover D because we already finished D1. D1 is draw and write the compound words on your own. You already completed in last class itself. So this is just a revision class for you, and I hope you clearly understood the compound words topic, and now you are going to write all the lessons which I taught you today. Thank you.